When recommending a tire for your customer's SUV, there are a lot of options out there, but we believe helping that customer narrow down the best fit should begin and end with Hankook Tire's Dynapro line. Let's compare 3 options in the Dynapro line: the HT2, Evo All Season, and the HPX, so you can help match each customer with the performance characteristics they actually need. Let's start with the Dynapro HT2, a highway terrain option for SUVs. If your customers use their SUVs mostly for commuting, the HT2 is where you should steer them. Commuters drive a lot of miles on their tires. That's why Hankook designed the Dynapro HT2 with a flat, square profile and optimized pattern stiffness. This, along with mileage-enhancing compounding in the tire, means the tire wears more evenly over time and gets better gas mileage, both important to your commuter customers. If your commuters deal with rain or snow, Hankook built the HT2 with hydrophilic compounds and an optimized main groove design, promoting water evacuation and traction in rainy conditions. Winter conditions are handled with the sipe count and edges that enhance grip and control on snowy roads. If the HT2 is a versatile option for a variety of customers, the Evo All Season is designed specifically for today's high-end SUVs. Luxury SUV customers come to expect just that: luxury. So you need to recommend a tire built for it. That's where the Dynapro Evo All Season comes in. One thing that comes with luxurious expectations is an assurance of comfort. Hankook made sure to cater to that by tuning down the inner and outer shoulder grooves to trap and cancel resonance noise, reducing high-frequency sounds inside the cabin. The result? A luxury driving experience that matches the vehicle it's mounted on. Inside the tire, a reinforced belt structure layered with additional support helps reduce deformation at high speeds. Both mean that handling and braking performance are, dare I say, luxurious. How about customers that value a tire that can give them confidence day in and day out? Confidence that their tires will last and perform in a variety of conditions? Well, the Dynapro HPX fits that mold. Hankook says this touring all-season tire is all about long-term value and safety. With a 70,000-mile warranty and a tread life up to 12% longer than competitors with the same mileage guarantee, the HPX is proven to maintain longevity. That extended life comes from an all-season compound and an increased contact area that evenly distributes ground pressure. The tire's pitch sequencing and knurling inside the tread grooves help reduce pattern noise as well, without compromising grip. The HPX was also tuned to integrate smoothly with vehicle safety systems. Traction control helps prevent wheel spin and skidding during acceleration by limiting power delivered to slipping wheels. And the Dynapro HPX's enhanced traction helps traction control systems work more effectively. So, which SUV tire from Hankook's Dynapro line fits best for your customers? It's all about asking questions. Are they clocking a lot of highway miles or commuting to work every day? Recommend the Dynapro HT2. For your luxury SUV owners, ask if they value a tire that can provide a more luxurious feel. If so, steer them towards the Dynapro Evo All Season. If your customers want all-season performance in a variety of conditions, recommend the HPX. The Dynapro HT2 is available now in 55 sizes from 15 to 22 inches and includes a 70,000-mile limited treadwear warranty for P metric sizes and a 50,000-mile warranty for LT metric sizes. Every Dynapro Evo All-Season tire is backed by a 50,000-mile limited treadwear warranty and comes in 29 sizes ranging from 19 to 22 inches. The Dynapro HPX comes with a 70,000-mile warranty and is available in 39 sizes from 16 to 22 inches. I'm Allison, thanks for watching.